And today we're taking a look at how to season your gas grill easy and simple. So you got your new gas grill, you already installed the propane tank, you already checked for leaks, and you're ready to start cooking. Don't worry, today we're gonna go ahead and help you with that. If you missed anything that we mentioned on the list, you can check out our videos about that. We're gonna leave a link on the description and everything that we use on the video as well. The first thing that we wanna do is go ahead and clean the grill. And we're gonna clean the grill grates and the grease cover for the burners. And we wanna do this the old-fashioned way, soap and water. If you use a sponge or a rag, even better. We wanna go ahead and remove any particles, oils that the grill might picked up on the manufacturing process, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die from chemical poisoning. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team we want to up the chances of you living another day, and to make this easier you can use a water hose or whatever or wherever you want to do it or use, because at the end of the day you are the king, queen, or both or none of your castle. Once we clean the grill grates and the grease covers for the burners, we want to go ahead and dry them off. And remember, a pro tip: water and iron or metal are not a good combination. So whenever cleaning any metals, you want to dry them off, because rust does not taste good. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and place the parts back on the gas grill. What we want to do now is burn off any oils or residue that we were not able to take off on the cleaning process. And this is just an extra step to make sure that on this clear sunny day you don't, and you know the rest of the story. So what we're gonna do is turn on all the burners on high for 30 minutes. And one key thing that we want to do is leave the cover open. If you have a side burner, you want to go ahead and do that for that as well. We're finally here to the important part of the video. Like taking care of prolonging your life wasn't important. We all know you're here because of the seasoning of the grill. And to season the grill, what we want to use is a high point smoke oil of your preference. And we want to shoot for a neutral base flavor, because the last thing you want is your food to smell or taste like something else. And you can use this in liquid form or spray form. In our case, we're using canola oil. And using thongs and paper towels, we want to go ahead and cover every inch of the grill grates and soak them up with oil. And we want to make sure we get the top grill grate, the bottom ones, and both sides of each. Seasoning the grease cover for the burners are not really necessary, because they're gonna see grease all the time. And we do the grill grates to make them non-stick. But do remember, every time before cooking is a good practice to apply oil to the grill grates. This is gonna maintain the seasoning and also avoid rust. Once we do that, we want to go ahead and also do this process to the cover of the grill on the inside. Now that we oiled this baby up, we need to bond the oil with the metal. And that's done with a process of fire. We once again go ahead and turn on all the burners on high, but this time we close the lid and let it go for 30 minutes. You're gonna notice after the 30 minutes are up that all your grill grates are gonna be shiny and covered with the oil. It's gonna be a protective coating for your grill. Now you can pat yourself in the back for a job well done. You can call yourself master of the universe. Just don't let your friends know, your wife, husband, kids, co-workers, associate know that you are. But if you like paparazzis, go ahead. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.